In this section, you will learn how to add vector files. When you click the Add File button in the Data menu, some file options appear. Select the file type to be uploaded to the map in the options. Then, the projection system containing the file is defined in the Open panel and the file to be uploaded is selected. The selected file is loaded into the map as a layer and listed in the layer box. Another file upload method is the drag and drop method, where we add the files we want to upload onto the map or into the layer box. Likewise, after selecting the coordinate system of the files to be uploaded in the Open panel, it is added to the map as a layer. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.